A very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Patania Public School. Today in this video, we start chapter number 13. Chapter number 13, this is the last chapter of term 2, dictionary. We have already know dictionary is your data type, and in dictionary, you can create a bunch of values with your keys and the elements or your values. So in this chapter we are learn about the key values of pair dictionary and working with dictionary and the functions and methods of the dictionary. Okay, so first we are discussing about the dictionary. Dictionary is the built-in Python data type. Dictionary is a data type, is a very versatile type called a dictionary. Dictionary are simply another type of collection in Python, with a twist. But with a twist, rather than having an index associated with each data item, just like in list or string, dictionary in Python have a key and a value of that key. We have already discussed in data types in chapter number 8 what is key and what is values. So in dictionary we need two things, one is the keys and second is your values. But in list, string, tuple, we don't need the keys. We have just write down the values in tuple and the strings. But here we need dictionary in dictionary keys and the values. Python dictionary are a collection of some key value pairs. Do not get confused. Just read on, just like in English dictionary. You can search of a word's meaning because of each word there is a meaning associated with it. In the same manner, Python dictionary have some keys just like English dictionary have words and associated values just like English dictionary have associated meanings for every word. Okay, so dictionary are mutable. Dictionary are mutable, and mutable means you modifiable, changeable. Unordered collection, dictionary is your unordered collection, mutable, and unordered collection with elements in form of a key and the value pair that associated with key values. So dictionary are container that associated key to value. This is in a way similar in list. In list you must remember the index value of an element from the list, but the with the case of dictionary you will have to know key to find out the element dictionary, key to find out the element dictionary here. Okay, so now we are learn here how to create a dictionary. How to create a dictionary. To create the dictionary, you need to include key and the value pair in curly braces as per following syntax. When you define your list, you write your values in the square bracket. When you define tuple, then you write down the value in the parentheses. But now you are using the curly braces to define the dictionary. Dictionary always define in the curly braces brackets. Okay, so dictionary here we need a dictionary name and then equal to then curly braces here then key name, any key name here, then it's colon sign and then value then comma another key then value then again comma then third key then colon then value then again comma, so you can define in this way. Okay, following is an example dictionary by the name teacher that store the name of teachers as keys as keys and subject being taught by them as value of respective keys. Okay, fine. So here you see teachers Dimple. So the name is Dimple, subject is computer science. Karan, social science. Harpreet is a key and mathematics is the value. Sahab is your key and legal study is your value. So this is your dictionary. Notice that the curly braces bracket mark the beginning and the end of the dictionary. In the starting and end of the dictionary, you need to start and close the brackets. Each entry key colon value consists of a pair separated by a colon. The key and the corresponding value is given by writing colon between them. The key value pairs are separated by commas. The key value pairs are separated by commas. As you can see that there are four key uh, uh, key value pair in the above dictionary. Following table illustrate the key value relationship in the among dictionary teachers like this. Teach key value pair are the these are the pair, but what is the key and what is the value? Dimple, Karan and Harpreet and Sabi, these are the keys, and computer science, social science, mathematics, the subject name is your values. Consider some more dictionary declaration here. For example, you have write down just dictionary name is equal to, and then just you write down the curly braces. This is your empty dictionary. But if you write down in this way also days in a month, so January 31, February 28, so like this you can define it, and one key differentiate with the another with the help of comma operator always. And another key is also here bird count like pinch 10, mana 13. So like this you can also define it. Now you can easily identify the keys and the corresponding value. I think now you are clearly know what is the key and what is the value and how you define the key and value. So key and value both are the pair in the dictionary. First you write down the key, then write down the colon, and then write down your values like your teacher, then you write down the teacher name. Or if you want to define the different subject, then you define first the teacher name and then you define the as a value the subject name. So a Python string, one thing that you must know is that key of a dictionary must be immutable type such as key, key, not dictionary. Here you understand this point. You must know is that key of a dictionary must be immutable. You can change the key of a dictionary, but dictionary is your mutable. So these keys are the fixed, but your value are the changeable. You can change it because dictionary is mutable but key is the immutable. So a Python string, a number, a tuple containing only immutable entries. If you try to give a mutable type as key, Python will give you an error unhashable type. See below, if you write down in this way 2 comma 3 then colon then ABC. This is not the right way. Here you define the list between the dictionary, and list is your mutable, but dictionary here key is your immutable. So this will display the error unhashable type here. Okay, after that we take the one example here. Write a program to read roll number and marks of four students and create a dictionary for it having roll number as a key. Roll number as a key. Okay, then we take the one variable roll number marks. Then we write down here loop for a in range for colon. After that row and r and m two variable are there, rows and marks, and equal to I will input roll number and marks here, and append the roll number and append the marks. Yani if you want to change the rows and roll number and the marks, so every time your marks and roll number will be changed according to this. So here you write down a dictionary. The name of the dictionary is D. Then you write down curly braces roll number 0, marks on the 0 position. Then these are the indexing. Roll number 1 marks 1. So these are not the values, these are your only the indexing. So number 2 roll number 2 marks. So these type created dictionary, printed the date. So what will display the dictionary. So here you see enter your roll number and marks. So we input for example 1 comma 67.5. So 67.5 is the number and 1 is your roll number. Like that you can input the 2 45.6 3 78.4. 4 roll number have 70.5. And what is the display the dictionary. So dictionary is 1 colon 67.5 comma 2 colon 45.6, then again comma 3 colon 78.54 and 4 colon 78.5. So how you access elements of a dictionary now. If you have created the dictionary, now how you access it. While accessing element from a dictionary you need the key. While in lists the elements are accessed through their index. In dictionaries the elements are accessed through the keys defined in the key value. Defined in the key and the value pair as per syntax shown below. You write down dictionary and then you write down the key. To access the value of key defined as Karan in the above declared teacher dictionary, you all write how you write it, teacher, and just write down the key name. And Python will return the value here. We don't need to write down the value now. It display the answer of your value. So similarly following statement are there. Print current teacher current will give output as current teacher sociology. Why it's display here? Because we write the current is a keyword and the sociology is your value, or we have defined in the dictionary this way. So while giving key inside square bracket gives you access only to the value corresponding the mentioned key. Mentioning the dictionary name without any square bracket prints display the entire content to the of the dictionary. Consider the following example like this. Write down you vowel 1 a, vowel 2 e. These are the key and these are the values. These are the key and these are the value. So dictionary D contain 5 key. So what are the key? Value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4 and value 5. These are the keys. And what are the values? A, E, I, O, U. These are the values. Okay. So when you display the D, so it display your all complete value here. And but if you want to display the print D like this, so it display the complete print the content of the dictionary D. Notice the order element is different from the input order. So here your order is different. And again you see here, for example, you want to write down the vowel 1, so it display the vowel A. If you want to write down the print the vowel 4, then it display the vowel O here. And what is the O? This is the O here. So you can do it like this. As per above example, we can say that key order is not guaranteed in Python. Key order will be changed. This is because in Python dictionary the element key and value pair are unordered. This is not a particular sequence. This is unordered list. One cannot access element as per specific order. The only way to access a value in through key. Thus we can say that keys act like indexes to access values from a dictionary. Also attempting to access a key that doesn't exist causes an error. Consider the following statement that is trying to access non-existence key 13 from dictionary D. So D 13. So it display the error because 13 is not any key in the your dictionary. So the above error means that before we access the value of a particular key using expressions such as D13, we must first ensure the key 13 here exists in the dictionary. Like list element, the key and values of a dictionary are stored through their reference. So like see here I have the 1 2 3, and these are the key, ghost, turn and hawk, and these are the value 3331. So this type you can take one other the example here. So better do the practical of this example. Now next one is your traversing a dictionary. How your data will be travel in the dictionary, how your dictionary will be move from one to another place. So how your dictionary will be traveling. So traveling of a collection means accessing and processing each element of it. Thus, traversing a dictionary also means the same, and same is the lot tool for it. The Python loop. We have already know the Python loop. Two loops are there. One is the for loop and second is the while loop. The for loop makes it easy to traverse or loop over the items in a dictionary as per following syntax. For, so you write down for, then item here you write down your, for example in vowel your items are a e I o u. In dictionary process each item here. The loop variable item will be associated the key of dictionary. So key always travel with the help of for loop one by one, just like they are assigned indexes of strings or list while traversing them, which you can use inside the body of for loop. Consider following example that will illustrate this process. A dictionary, namely D1, is defined with three keys: a number, a string, or a tuple of integers. So D1 is equal to 5 colon number. Then this is your string, and again here you write down integer tuple. So recall that the break a statement expression in multiple lines. Backslash means in next line, so you can use backslash at the end of the physical line if you want to move your data in the multiple line. To traverse the above dictionary you can write for loop as for, then you write down key in D1. So your keys are 1 and 2, A and 5. So it will displayed here. How it work it? The loop variable key in above loop will be assigned the key of the dictionary D1 one at a time. Like this you can see here print key. So here we want to display the key here, but when you write down here D1 key, so what is the mean of here? It will access value from dictionary D1 from the given key. So here with the this your value will be displayed on the screen, but this display your key. As per above output, loop variable key will be assigned A in the first iteration, and hence the key A and its value string will be printed. In second iteration, key will be get element 1 comma 2 and its value tuple will be printed along with it, and so on. So you can say that traversing all collections is similar. You can use a for loop to get hold of indexes or keys and then print or access corresponding value inside the loop body. Inside the loop body. Write a program in the font dictionary for all your friend and print each key value in pair. So how you write